pretty, decent. Wow. I'm ND and I can't edit. This is a tutorial of how to make decent looking ornaments / paperweights. I went to Norway and Denmark and I wanted to eternalize my time there, so I stole some plants. To preserve them, I decided to cover them with resin. I delicately placed them in this silicone cupcake tray. Here are supplies I use: gloves, resin out of the box, a cup, a scale, 1:1 ratio, a fork. Then I pour the resin and my perfectly placed plants get messed up and I have to move them with a toothpick. I also pop bubbles that are on top with the toothpick. After 5 minutes, there are still bubbles, so I use this heat gun to pop some more. Keep going until it looks like all of the bubbles are popped, and then wait 24 hours for it to set. This is what it looks like the next day. Some of the plant is not covered. Here I am practicing mirrored writing so I can write on the resin. It is a mess. Then I realize I can write normally because resin is clear. After the gel pen dries, I put a second layer of resin, which covers the parts of the plants that were sticking out before. Heat gun again. Sets again. This is what they look like when you take them out of the mold. Use a toothpick and dip it into the resin to attach a festive string to make an ornament. This is what it looks like. I messed up on this one because originally I put the string into the resin and it didn't look good, so now it just has a dangerous spike. I still had some larger plants left over and didn't want to break them down, so here's a montage of me preserving them in a larger silicone mold. Here's what it looks like when removed from the mold. There are still bubbles even though I heat gunned it, but oh well, it still looks cool. Here's another one in front of a window. Here's one without words on it. Here's another one that looks cool, not as many bubbles in this one. Here's a final aesthetic look. Thanks for watching.